So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is a project we started the back end of last summer. Just been waiting for everything to get ready for the windows to be made for us to get back and start all of this brick restoration. So customers having all of the windows replaced. So what we've got to do on this project is we removed all of the pebbled ash from the front of the property. As you can see, the brickwork underneath is just no way of us restoring that without rebuilding the whole front of the property to be able to point it in any condition. It's had lots of bomb damage and everything's been badly rebuilt in the past. So what we've got to do first of all is take down this whole bay. All of these lintels coming down. Let me get around this section here. So this area here, it will be a door going all the way through here. So taking down all of this section of brickwork right down underneath arch level, so got a nice new door going in here. All of these piers are coming down, all the lintels are coming down, all of the piers are going to be rebuilt straight, ready for rendering. So what we're going to be doing on this is line rendering the whole house. Lintel across here all coming out. All of this section of pier will all be taken down, rebuilt. All of these deep areas, we're putting in new bricks ready for rendering. All of the brick restoration at the top of the property. Massive job this, going to be here for a long time. Sections of brickwork on corners that have all fractured are all going to need rebuilding throughout the whole house. On the middle bay we're going to be putting so we'll be running a new cornice feature all of the way around here, all of the way through here, then making this opening through here, so this sill will be coming out, having a nice new door coming all the way down to this low level cross. Sections of brickwork being taken down and rebuilding for render. I'm going to show you upstairs around the side and the back what we've got to do on this as well. Oh, can I get through? Yes. Let's have a look here. Whoops. So then the side of the property, all of the pebbled ash has all been stripped off. So we're going to be line rendering the whole side of the house, getting all of the cement off around the rest of the windows. Be rendering all the way through, reveals all the way through there. Lintels coming out and being replaced before rendering. More reveals to come off. On the back of the property we've got some fractures going down the sides of the building, so they're all going to be taken down and rebuilt. Unfortunately this property is just too far gone to be restored back to brick, so line rendering all of the back of the house. Then we got the whole return all the way around now, another big fracture coming all the way through the corner here, so that'll all be taken down and rebuilt. Lots of bricks to go in areas ready for rendering, so all of these cracked and damaged bricks will have to be cut out and replaced before we can render. Again, same sort of thing on all of this side, all restored, ready for rendering. This is all going back in lime render, so that'd be a nice breathable material. New bifold doors are going in, so we've got to make good all around all of this archwork. Same sort of thing around here. And the next elevation down, same again. Yeah, this is going to keep us going for a good while, getting this project back to its former glory, but nothing we can't do. New window sills will have to go in here in areas. New roofs being done. We're going to get all that done for the customer. And then on the ground floor on the side and the back. same sort of condition on the back of the property. So this corner come right down and be rebuilt right down to ground floor level. Oh. New window sills going in on the lower level. There will need restoring till we get new sills all made up. Again, making good. So all areas like this will all be new bricks put in. All of them seals will come out, then all this foundation work will be done, and we'll put a new plinth all the way around the base of the property. And on the bottom side return, same thing all the way through. New seals, new reveals, new render. Yeah, this is one of the worst pebble dash removals we've ever come across, really, in a pretty bad way. But nothing we can't do, so hopefully the weather is on our side now. Coming into spring, get all of this perfect time of year for the lime rendering in the next couple of months. So we've got so much preparation work to do here before you can start thinking about the rendering. So as you can see, all of the inside of the house has been completely gutted. We've got to do loads of internal brickwork here as well. All the internal brickwork's in real bad condition. So inside and upstairs is going to be making good to all of the brickwork inside. Nothing's tied in properly. Sorting out all of these lintels all through here, getting all of the boxes done properly, because these are all going to be ripped out. So making good all the internal brickwork, and then all of the internal we've got to restore and structurally make good, because it's just like dust everywhere. So yeah, we'll keep you updated on this one. Going to be a big, slow project, but looking forward to transforming it. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.